Let's say it is working out. First we have to write. First we have to write our names. Just I am writing. My name is Priyansu. There is written Priyansu. Then I am going to add some pictures. You can see I have written my name. Let's say it is working not. I have to take some photos 20 or 25. I have to add another one photos. Let's class 2. Ayush, come.
Just look at that.
I have taken. You can see I have taken some photos. Let's see it is working or not. Let's see, there is my photo is there written Priyansu, predicate 1997, and Ayush come, written Ayush. You saw how it work. Thank you. You can do this project in your home also.